Hi everyone, we are Tech. Today we want to introduce the IHUB system, and we will do a little grenade test. This is our IHUB system. It has two parts. First is the ring and the hub. We have to insert this ring on the top of nozzle. That will help to reinforce the nozzle. And then we put it into the boat. Then we replace this hub on rubber. That will help this GBB have a better airtight. So that will give you a better ballistic and also the better recoil power. And we think that will give you a better FPS performance. And we will do a little test about that later. Now we want to do a little test to compare the two different systems. The first is the original one. We use green gas and 0.2 BB. And then we use the same magazine, but now this time we use this modified SCAR. And then we change the magazine and use the original one. Though there was a little accident when we are firing this modified SCAR, the bullet hit this test machine. But after we exchange the GBB, use the same magazine, the data will tell us it truly have a very little different, but that will help to increase the recoil power and the airtight. This is a stun grenade used in war game. It is powered by a CO2 cartridge. But every time you use this stun grenade, you will use one cartridge. It's very expensive. And today we find a new stuff. This is also a stun grenade, but this time it is powered by propane or green gas. That means it is cheaper. And inside this grenade, the structure looks like this. And there's a screw in the middle. If you tighten this screw, it will explode in slow speed. And if you loosen this screw, it will explode immediately. We will do a little test later. We will use green gas to test it. Now I'll demonstrate how to recharge the green gas. If we loosen the screw, you can hear the gas noise. So that means it releases gas very quickly, so it explodes immediately. If we tighten this screw, then the gas noise is smaller. That means it takes longer time to explode. Now we will recharge it and test it. IPSC is a very interesting sport or competition, but most of the competition they use a real pistol. So if in your country you can have a real pistol to enjoy this game. Maybe you can use this GBB to experience it. We have a steel slide and frame. So it's powered by CO2 magazine. So you can experience this IPSC sport in your country.
Shooter, are you ready? Stand by.